Okay, for the screencast that focuses on what I used for a study tool, or what to create a study tool or a quiz, um, I used Quizlet, and I basically used it to make flashcards that focus on the main types of poetry. So, sonnet, um, free verse, an ode, haikus, epics, and limericks. And I use Quizlet all the time personally for flashcards and things like this to quiz myself. So I think as a tool, especially for something simple that would be basically something where you just have to understand a definition, I think this tool is perfect for that. And that is what I used it for my quiz or like learning set.